How to Use Calendly tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use Calendly to schedule your appointments and meetings. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply come to calendly.com and you will land on this platform right here. Calendly is your hub for scheduling meetings professionally and efficiently, eliminating the hassle of back and forth emails so that you can get back to work. Calendly has a lot of different features and tools for us to schedule our meetings and appointments. So let's get started and get our own dashboard on Calendly. So to get your own dashboard, what you have to do is you will simply sign up for calendly.com. The signing up process is really easy. You simply enter your email address and then you will be able to sign up. Now I will simply type in my email and click on sign up, and then I will get my own dashboard. After the initial sign up, this is the dashboard that you will get. You can see right here. Now let me show you around. We have home. Right now I am on home. So in home we have event types, scheduled events, and workflows. Then we have this option right here which says create. On create, we can create a new event, one-off meeting, and meeting polls. Then we have availability. In availability, I will be able to set my availability in here. Then we have integrations, where I will be able to find all of these amazing integrations to customize my Calendly experience. We have Calendly for Chrome, LinkedIn, Zoom, Microsoft, HubSpot, Salesforce, Gmail, PayPal, Stripe, and Facebook Pixel. You can add any of the integrations from here. Let's go back to home and let's create a new meeting. So in here, I can simply click on create and let's create a new event. Let's say that I want to create a new meeting for my marketing strategy. And this is going to be one-on-one meeting. I can also go with a group meeting, and there are other options available too. So now I will simply click on create. In here, I have all of these different options to fill in. I have to add event name. Now I can add location. If it's in-person meeting, then I can add an address from Google Maps, or I can simply add any of the apps right here where the meeting will take place. It is an online meeting and it is going to take place in Google Meet. So I will add it right here. Now I have to add description and instruction right here. So for now, I'm just going to write the word description. After that, we have our event link and the color to choose from. Simply click on next and then you will be able to set the time and date. So the date range is going to be the calendar days or business days. So I'm going to go with business days. Then we have duration of the meeting. This meeting is going to be a 60-minute, which is like 1 hour. Then we also have the availability option right here. So to set the availability, I will simply go to availability option in here and I'm going to save this one. Now I can simply go ahead and change my availability. Let's say that I'm available from Monday to Friday and my timing is from 8 to 10. So on Monday it is from 8:30 to 10:30. Let's change this one. So you can add any time you want to. And if I want to copy the time from one day to another, I can simply click on this copy and I can copy this timing of Wednesday on any other day. Then we have this plus icon that allows us to add intervals of time. This is how you set availability in Calendly. Let's go back to home and let me show you other of the features. So in here on dashboard, I will be able to check all of my events that I have created. And then I can simply go to settings, and if I want to edit them, I can go ahead and do that. If I want to add an internal note, I can do that as well. Then we have clone and delete option. Let's say that I want to delete this one. So I will simply go ahead and click on delete and it will be deleted. If we go to scheduled events in here, then I will be able to check all of my events that are coming up. I will be able to check the upcoming, pending, past, and date range. Right here, I can simply add today, this week, and this month. So you can see right here, all of the events will be shown right here. If I want to again check the event types, it will open it up for me right here. Then we have the workflows, where I will be able to check my workflow and save time. In here, we can actually add email reminders, textbook reminders, and others. And if I want to create an one-off meeting, then I can simply go ahead and create a meeting right now. So you can see right here, this is the zone. Then we have the duration. Duration is going to be 1 hour. This is going to be the host, which is me. And the availability is working hours. Now, this is the calendar view to create a meeting. And what I need to do is simply click on next. Once you click on next, then you will be able to create your own new one-off meeting right here on Calendly. If we go to event types again, then in here we have my Calendly option. I can simply go ahead and work together with a Calendly organization or simply join another team as well. So then we have help option right here to ask question and help center. Then we have account. In account, we have billing, calendar collections, admin management, organization settings, share your link, and app option. Then we also have the logout option in here. To share the link, you simply click right here and you will copy your link, email your link, or add to your website. What I can do is simply copy this one, and then now I can share this meeting link to anyone I want to. This is how you simply create a meeting and then share the link. Then we have admin management. And in here, I will be able to access all of the different management for my meetings, such as how to invite different people. I can simply click on invite users, and then I will be able to invite my team members to join the Calendly for more experience and to join my meetings. All I have to do is just simply add their email addresses. Then we also get different templates when it comes to creating different meetings. I can go with a new template in here, and then I can choose a template card and simply create a meeting with that. Again, it will be that what kind of meeting you want to create, one-on-one or group. And then you can simply go ahead and add any kind of integrations to your Calendly to improve your user experience and to get more productive. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. And now you know how to use Calendly as a beginner and how to avail all of the different features and tools to create your own professional meetings. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.